Hey guys, my name is Chad, and today I'll show you how to hack 80% of games with no root. Alright, so the first step is you guys are gonna go to the link in the description, and it's gonna take you to this page called luckypatcher.net. So go down the link in the description. Don't worry about what I'm typing in. That's already in the link, so yeah. Alright. So this app, you can create modded APK files, which causes the APK that you modded to buy anything for free. Like what would normally cost real life money, it would, be free. Give me a sec. Just wait for this to download Lucky Patcher. So guys, I won't guarantee that it will work on Boom Beach or Clash of Clans, but it works on most games. Yeah, call it that, most games. Alright, let's download Subway Surfers. Don't worry guys, you're not gonna have to wait for Subway Surfers to download. I'm gonna speed up things a little. Whoops. One sec. Install that. Okay. Okay. Just download it. The reason why to delete it is because it's already hacked, so I had to delete it so I could show you that it actually works. Alright, so I'll get back to you when this download is complete. Okay. Hey guys, I'm back. Alright, so let's get right into the reason why we're here. Alright, so let's just open it for a little while. So let's open it. Just it's loading, so gotta wait a little. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Let's just get through the tutorial real quick. Guys, if you don't really want to watch the tutorial or whatever, you can get right into the actual, part. Like skip, fast forward, or whatever. Let's just get this over with. See that? We got 5 or whatever. Everything costs money. Alright. Alright, let's get right into the hacking. Let's oh wow, didn't install Lucky Patcher. Okay, shouldn't be taking so long. Alright, let's get into it. Alright. Alright, what you want to do here is just click on Subway Surfer and then press open menu of patches, then create modded APK file. then APK rebuild for in-app and level emulation. Rebuild the app. So it's gonna like take like a minute or two, depends on the size of the game. So you guys can like fast forward a little because it's gonna be over a couple minutes, couple seconds, or say. And guys, I'm gonna like create, I mean, show you a video how to hack, just in case you guys don't get it yet, I'm gonna make a video on how to hack BTD battles. That's Bloons Tower Defense in the next video. Okay? So okay. Alright, so I just gotta wait a little bit more longer. It's longer than I thought. Yeah. Oh. Well, the good thing about this is you get to like hack games without rooting. So that's a good thing. But you see like very large games, like gigabytes games, like 1 GB. Yeah, those games it probably won't hack. Alright, so as you can see here, once you have these two, once you have two of them, success, at least one, that means it's a success. So what we're gonna do now is delete it. Okay, and then we're gonna go over to here, under here, where it says rebuild and install. Go to Lucky Patcher, modified, and right here you should see the modified APK. Click on it, and then install. Alright, so it's not gonna take a while. It's gonna take like a couple seconds. Wow, it shouldn't take this long. I think it's because like I'm screen recording, so yeah. Alright, there we go. Let's get right into the app. So guys, you see for small games with in-app purchases, it's 100% guarantee that it's gonna work. But large games, like what's a large game? Like Nova 3, Boom Beach, Clash of Clans, those games it won't. So let's get right into it. I did that on purpose. You guys ready? Check this out. You see that? Everything that we would normally buy costs this amount of money, $0. So you can just it works, and then we're gonna press yes, and look what happens. You see up here? Yeah. So that's pretty much it, guys. Please leave a like and subscribe below. So until then, I'll see you next time. Peace. I hope you enjoyed the video. So later.